in favor of temporal lobe epilepsy. Okay. Now question number 19, 8-year-old with unilateral weakness. So what is the diagnosis? 8-year-old with unilateral weakness. Unilateral weakness, okay. Unilateral weakness means some stroke or something. See the parietal region. Which region has problem? Unilateral weakness. This temporal, parietal, these regions are spike wave, yes. But yes, slow spike. It is not fast. It is slow in F7 and T5, yes. Slow wave in F7 and T5. You are right. So this slow wave and right-sided weakness means something abscess or thrombus or something, or tumor, slowly growing tumor. So I think there is a tumor, unilateral weakness. This area has ICSOL, yes, because they did not tell us that the child has fever, the child is having sinusitis, because it is not brain abscess, and they did not tell us the child having brain injury, so it is not hematoma. I think this is tumor, yes. Unilateral weakness comes in this area, yes. Okay, now our last EEG, this one. Question number 20, 8-year-old girl with mental retardation. So 8-year-old girl with mental retardation, what is the diagnosis? Mental retardation means what? Which diagnosis? Mental retardation with epilepsy, like Rett syndrome. It can be Rett syndrome. 8-year-old girl. Angelman, they have this problem, Angelman syndrome, Rett syndrome. So what is the diagnosis will be? Either it is Rett or it is Angelman. So this area they marked, actually this area has some problem. There is slow activity, mental retardation with slow activity. I don't know, it is either Rett syndrome or Angelman, because this girl is a confusing point. Angelman can be girl, can be boy, but Rett syndrome mainly girl. So slow wave with mental retardation. But if it is Rett syndrome, they will give us some feature like the child having severe mental retardation, hand flapping, right? So they did not give us. I think this is Rett syndrome, okay? So let us see the answers first, then we will discuss again this 20 EEG. Our last 5 answer is this one. 15 was benign Ronaldic epilepsy. The child having staring look. And the second EEG, the parents explained some abnormal behavior. Actually, it was not abnormal at all. The EEG was normal. Now, number 17, there was generalized slow wave. The child presented with fever in the emergency department, and there was slow wave in the particular region, I mean in the parietal region. It was herpes encephalitis. Now 18, question number 18, the child presented with abnormal behavior, and we saw there is some temporal spike. So it is temporal lobe epilepsy, anterior temporal lobe epilepsy. There was 19 number EG, there was a child presented with hemiplegia, I mean one-sided weakness, and we saw in some parietal region there is slow activity. So slow activity localized, it is slowly growing tumor. It is right-sided space occupying lesion. Now question number 20 was the child girl having mental retardation. So mental retardation was encephalopathy with Angelman syndrome. It was not Rett syndrome. It was encephalopathy with Angelman syndrome. Now, anyone want to revise again? Someone asked me number 3. Number 3 was right-sided Ronaldic epilepsy. Let us see the right-sided Ronaldic epilepsy again. This is the number 3. This is a focal seizure, and it is right-sided. Why right-sided? See the even lead. Even lead indicate it is right-sided seizure. So it was right-sided Ronaldic epilepsy, and it occurred at night.
Dr. Tamanna, the number 20 is very chaotic to me. It's not chaotic. It's slow.
Which one? Which one? Question
20,
number
20.
which one? 20. 20. You see chaotic, but see 8 years is not a year of West syndrome.